Good morning, everyone. Today's lesson number is 18, the environment and Earth. Okay. Before that, I want to ask you children, with the help of the question below, explain what will happen if forests are not there. What will happen if the forests are not there? Come on, let me know the answer. If forests are not there, what will happen? Come on, give me the answer, children. The animals, human will die. Okay, Vidisha. Okay. Okay, we do not get oxygen. From where does we get oxygen, children? ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से मिलता है? Okay, from the tree, very good. From the nature, okay, tree, very good. Means everyone knows that where from where we get an oxygen. Okay, good. Now, these are the points we are going to clear in the chapter. Deforestation, pollution, the need to maintain environment balance, our needs and environment, global efforts for the protection of environment, then efforts to maintain biodiversity. What we have taken efforts means हम लोग ने क्या किया है biodiversity को बचाने के लिए to maintain biodiversity. This only I asked you some questions now. Now we will see deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? What is the meaning of deforestation, children? Cutting, okay, Arya. Trees, okay. Writing one sentence, just write practice in writing one sentence. Okay, means decrease in forest area. Deforestation means decrease in forest area. The population of the world is now closed to 600 crores. Okay, crores are there now. Population of our current world is 600 crores. Okay, man is developing new technology to meet the needs of all these peoples. Nowadays, we are in a developing country, everyone knows that. So man is developing new technology to fulfill our needs and all that. Okay, and is using up more and more land and water resources for this purpose. उसके वजह से वो क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? More land, using the more land and water also to make new technology. For developing a new technology, they are using land and water purpose also. Open space are required on a very large scale for agriculture. For agriculture purpose, what we need? An open space. But nowadays we are building buildings and all that. Building, so many buildings are there. जहाँ पे open space दिया, building बना दिया, चालू कर दिया. Forest are there? No, forest are not there because we are destroying the forest and there we are building it. वहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? बिल्ड, हम लोग घर बना रहे हैं अपने लिए, रहने के लिए घर बना रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े मॉल्स बना रहे हैं. यस और नो? देन वेयर द हेल द एनिमल्स विल गो? इफ द फॉरेस्ट आर नॉट देयर, देयर हाउसेज आर ओनली नॉट देयर, वेयर दे विल गो? एक्सटिंग हो रहे हैं, पूरा एनिमल का मीन्स खत्म हो रहे हैं. ओके, फॉरेस्ट आर कट डाउन टू मेक अ प्लेस फॉर देम. फॉरेस्ट आर कट डाउन. ओके, marshy or low-lying areas are filled to reclaim the land. Marshy or low-lying areas are filled to reclaim the land. The environment provides shelter to different kinds of living things. Everyone knows that. And who provides the shelter? The birds are staying in the trees and all that. Then animals are staying in the forest. Means these are their house. This environment भी उनका घर है. अगर वो ही नहीं रहेगा तो कितना प्रॉब्लम होगा? They will come and stay in our houses. An elephant will stay with us. Then a lion, tiger will come and stay with us. Yes or no? There are many types of plants in forest. Everyone knows. From the plants we get medicines. Different types of plants we get and medicine also. If the medicines are not there, we are going to die. If the plants are not there, medicine कहाँ से होगा? Medicine ही नहीं बनेगा. Yes or no? Birds builds their nest in trees. Animals like the bear, deer, monkey, elephant, tiger all lives in the forest. Everyone knows this. That is, they find shelter in the forest. All their needs are met in the forest. If forests are reduced, biodiversity is also depleted. Depleted means decrease. Depleted means what? Decrease. The meaning of depleted is decrease. Okay, children? Now, all of you know why how the pollution happens. Pollution कैसे होता है? Everyone knows that. See, can you see this picture? You have seen how water sources get polluted if wastewater is let into them without processing. I have told you in 16th chapter only how the water get polluted. Now how the air get polluted, that also can you tell me? See, can you see the air get polluted here? The smoke, due to the smoke. Come on, tell me how the air get polluted. Because of the air pollution, the trees get died away. Okay, air pollution की वजह से जो बाहर trees रहते हैं वो खराब हो जाते हैं. Okay, factories, very good, Arya. Due to the factory smoke, then the cars and all that, oh उसका धूल निकलता है, smoke निकलता है, yes or no? Okay, good. Wastewater is also given out. Okay, crackers, gutters, and all that. Okay, good. Wastewater is also given out from factories into their surroundings. Okay, if water from such polluted sources keeps soaking into the soil, soaking means अंदर पानी के अंदर जा रहा है. Sorry, धरती means जमीन के अंदर वो पानी सोख हो रहा है. The soil becomes infertility. Infertility means वहाँ पे fertile नहीं होता है. It becomes, बोलते हैं ना, खराब हो जाता है वो लैंड, पूरा खराब हो जाता है, वेस्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, chemical fertilizer and pesticides are used on large scale. Chemical fertilizer and pesticides are used on a large scale for agriculture purposes. We are using a chemical fertilizer क्यों? क्योंकि कीड़ा मरने के लिए we are using fertilizers and pesticides. They seeps into the soil or finally flows into the rivers with rain water. Where that fertilizer और chemical जो हम लोगों ने pesticide किया हुआ है उसके ऊपर डाला हुआ है, कहाँ पे जाता है? Under the ground, soil में, या फिर जब रेन गिरता है वो पानी के अंदर रिवर में चला जाता है. ओके, इट गोज अवे देयर. ड्यू टू द सेवरल सच रीजन वाटर एंड सॉइल गेट पोल्यूटेड. इसके वजह से पानी और सॉइल में जमीन पोल्यूट होती है. ओके, ड्यू टू द फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स. दिस इज डेंजरस फॉर द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स देयर. This is dangerous for the plants and animals there. Those who are living near the forest, if they drink that water, the fertilizer के पानी पिएंगे, they are going to die. They are going to they are going to die. Okay, this is dangerous for the animals also. That water only we are throwing, giving to the plants and all that. Their number reduces and eventually they died out altogether. That is, they become extinct means come on, increase. Sorry, decrease. Extinct means decrease. Okay. Fuel is used in all homes. Everyone knows that fuels are used in homes. Fuels means what? Like kerosene, or if petrol or diesel. These are the fuels. Okay, are used in all the homes. Beside, there are big industries and factories in which fuel is used in a great quantities. Beside this, we are using fuel. केरोसिन बेरोसिन यूज करते, पेट्रोल लगता है ना बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्री के लिए, मशीन चलाने के लिए. ओके, उससे क्या होता है, धुआं बाहर निकल आता है. Then a poisonous gas pouching out of chimney or factory. Can you see this? Okay. On the one hand, tremendous quantities of carbon dioxide enter the air due to the burning of fuel. That only air we inhale inside our body. जो फैक्ट्री का जो स्मोक आ जाता है, फिर इसका पेट्रोल का स्मोक आ जाता है, दैट ओनली धुएं में, इन द ट्रैफिक जैम में क्या होता है, इधर से धुआं रहा है, उधर से धुआं रहा है, वी आर सिटिंग ऑन द बाइक, वी आर इनहेलिंग, हम लोग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले रहे हैं, सुनो, पर पूरा वो कितना गंदगी अपने अंदर जा रहा है. थिंक अबाउट दिस चिल्ड्रन. On the other hand, due to large scale deforestation, decreasing of forest, the number of trees available for absorbing this carbon dioxide is dwindling. Dwindling means नहीं हो सकता है ये. जो हम लोग ऑक्सीजन के लिए ट्रीज दे रहे हो, ट्रीज ही अगर नहीं रहेगी तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो लोग इनहेल कैसे करेंगे ट्री? यस और नो? क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ द पोल्यूशन we have been giving this. As a result, the proportion of carbon dioxide in the air is rising continuously. This, because of this, the proportion, ज़्यादा मात्रा में proportion of pollution हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Okay. Besides, when fuels are burnt in vehicle, they give out certain poisonous gases as well as smoke. Also, some of the poisonous gases come out from the smoke of the vehicles. Industries also let out some poisonous gases into the air. This leads to air pollution on a very large scale. This becomes an air pollution. In chapter 16, we saw about the water pollution. Now I have told you about the air pollution. In one chapter, one pollution is there. Okay. First we have completed water. Now we have completed the air pollution. Needs to maintain environmental balance. The need to maintain environmental balance. Due to human intervention in nature, large scale are taking place in the air, water, and land also. Also, these non-living or organic components are getting polluted. As a result, the extinction of living things are threatened, while several living things have already become extinct. Okay, कितने सारे animals has been in decreased children, like dinosaurs are decreased. Okay, they have eaten themselves only. Then now cheetahs are there. Indian cheetahs are also extinct. उसमें उसको भी गिना जाता है. Nowadays lions are also not there. So many less lions are there remaining. Okay, if one factory of the environmental is damaged, its relationship with other factory also get affected. अगर एक फैक्ट्री खराब हो गई है क्योंकि वहां से रॉ मटेरियल दूसरी फैक्ट्री को जाता है तो दूसरी फैक्ट्री को भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. ओके, एक खराब होती है दूसरी फैक्ट्री को भी उसके उसका लॉस बेयर करना पड़ता है क्योंकि वहां से रॉ मटेरियल नहीं आ रहा है तो आगे जाके वो लोग क्या बनाएंगे. दे कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, वर्क कैन नॉट स्टॉप देयर ओनली. ओके, and the environmental balance is disturbed. From time to time, some of the living things on the earth become extinct. But today, this process is taking place at the much faster rates. This is a treat for the whole living world. Our need and the environment. Our needs and the environments. अपनी needs कहाँ से आती है? From the environment. Where from where it comes? From the environment. Food, water, and clothing are the needs of all the people. Everyone needs food, clothing, and water. Everyone needs this. Food तो चाहिए खाने के लिए, पानी तो चाहिए पीने के लिए, clothes तो चाहिए कपड़ा अंग मीन्स बॉडी ढकने के लिए अपने. ओके, we use a lot of things to meet these needs. We use a lots of things to meet these things needs. Besides, we use many means and devices for the purpose of studies, sports, hobbies, and entertainment. We even stock up these things so that they will be available to us whenever we need them. All these things are obtained by using material from where? From the nature, from the environment. ये कहाँ से आता है सब कुछ? We are getting everything from the environment, from the nature itself. All the people in the world have similar needs and desire. Everyone's needs are same: food, clothing, and shelter. Feed, water also. Okay. As a result, the environment is being degraded rapidly. Okay, we need to be aware that we ourselves are the part of the nature. We should know that we are the part of the nature, so we should not disturb the environment at all. Okay, if the balance of the nature is disturbed, it will adversely affect human beings too. अगर balance उसका खराब हो गया, environment खराब हो गया, it affects to directly to the human beings also. We need to take steps to prevent the degradation and the environment. The steps should mainly include using our means and recycling used articles. Such measures should be practiced sincerely by each and every person. Now, global efforts for protection of the environment. What are the global efforts for protection of the environment? Several projects are being implemented at the international level to maintain the balance in the nature. Global warming is there, save trees, yes or no, go green, means pura jahan pe green. These are the global warming. The persons are doing this for our nature only. We are the person doing something for the nature itself. It is to raise the awareness of people all over the world about the treat to environment balance. We should keep the environmental balance. Okay, many countries of the world are enacting laws that will help to prevent the pollution of air, water, and soil. Now in our country some PUC is doing for the vehicle purposes क्योंकि उसे धुआं नहीं निकले. धुआं अगर निकल रहा है तो PUC आपने की नहीं है. So some means our government is telling please do the PUC, not harm the plants and trees also. Efforts and maintain biodiversity. Efforts to maintain biodiversity. Okay. Biodiversity park. Now, what is this biodiversity park? We'll see. An area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity of the region is called a biodiversity park. Biodiversity is both preserved and studied. People visiting such a park enjoy being in nature. Okay, this lead to more concern of the nature. National park. We will see now national park. Everyone must be knowing about the national park. What is there in national park? It's there in Boreli, I think so. No, national park is there in Boreli. Anybody has visited over there? National park. Anybody has visited? No one has visited. Okay, you have visited. Tell your parents to take to the national park and go and see what is there and tell me what is there in the national park. Means only birds are there, then animals are there, but you can see from nicely. Okay. Some areas which are important for the protection and conservation of the wildlife are reserved for them. For example, Kachirang National Park, the Tadoba National Park. Okay, these are the name of national parks. Okay, then if the plants on the earth are destroyed, the numbers of animals also fall. If the plants on the earth are destroyed, the number of animals also fall. Some of the animals are eating, they are vegetarian only. Okay? Herbivorous and carnivorous animals are there. Some of the animals are eating flesh only. Some of the animals are eating only leaves and all that. Okay, trees. If we are harming to the plants, the on the earth, destroy the numbers of animal also because they have not getting the enough food to eat, then they are getting died away, they are died away. That is why it is necessary to protect plants in forest. The deforestation decrease is stopped and instead tree plantation is stepped up. डिफॉरेस्टेशन को रुकाओ और वहाँ पे क्या जाके करना है ट्री प्लांटेशन यू कैन डू अ ट्री प्लांटेशन animals that depend on plants will get protection and thrive will get protection and thrive. Now see this. Mayani Lake has formed due to a dam built on a Chand River in Satara district. Chand River near a Satara district. Mayani Lake has been formed over there. Flamingos from the Siberia region, northern Asia, migrate to this lake. कहाँ से आते वो एशिया से नदन एशिया से वहाँ पे आ जाते पानी पीने के लिए ओके दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड फ्लेमिंगो कैन यू सी द फ्लेमिंगो ओवर देयर बगड़ा अपन बोलते हैं ना बगड़ा like that okay here they build nest and lay eggs once the baby once the baby bird grows big enough they return with टू द साइबेरिया ओके अगेन जैसे ही वहाँ पे आते हैं वो लोग ये लेक पर अपना क्या करते हैं अंडा डालते हैं बेबी बिकम बिग वो लोग फिर से अपने नॉर्थन एशिया में चले जाते हैं ओके इन द रिसेंट पास्ट has the water level in the dam has fallen nowadays recent past पहले के इसमें past has the water level in the dam has been fallen the flamingos had stopped coming क्यों पानी नहीं है वो लेक में so the flamingos over there okay why because no water is there however the lake has been declared a sanctuary for birds there we can see the birds over there there is a great India bustard at Nanjai in Solapur district. These huge weighty birds are famous for their graceful giant. These birds live in open grassland. They feed on the insect only. They eat only insect. Okay. Can you see the bustard over there? Great Indian bustard see down over there. Male. It's a male over there. As they are hunted for their meat and their eggs, their number is fast decreasing. Maharashtra state has declared the Nanjang area a sanctuary for the great Indian bustard. Deer are also found in this grassland. Deer is also we can found over there. See, this is female bustard and deer also. 50 kilometers from Pune, on the Pune Ahmednagar highway, the village of Morachi Chincholi is famous for its peacock population. Is there a peacock over there? The old well looked after tamarind trees here have credited the favorable environment for the birds. Buffalo have found sanctuary in this village. Okay, there is a boon for all living creatures. Indian culture gives importance to the protection of forest. The Devrai is an example. People believe that a Devrai is really a jungle reserved for God. No trees or plant in a Devrai is ever cut. अभी तक यहाँ पे एक नहीं कट किया हुआ है. That is why all trees in Devrais are safe even today. Maharashtra has many Maharashtra has many Devrais in Madhya Pradesh. They are known as a Shravan Devrais. Gives shelters not only to the plants but also to the animals that live there. Hence, Devrais can be called the sanctuaries of ancient times. This was our chapter. What we have learned today, we will recall it. Okay, there are interrelationship all living and non-living things in the environment. Different kinds of plants, animals, and microorganisms are found in different regions. The balance between the cycle of the gases in the atmosphere, the water cycle, and the food chain has been maintained for thousands of years. Population of water is a trait to aquatic plants and animals also. We shall all have to make efforts to stop the degradation of the environmental balance caused by human interventions. Devrais Biodiversity Park, National Park, and sanctuaries are created for the conservation of plants and animals.